Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do a Turkish hijab step by step. First, select a rectangular scarf, ideally made from a fabric like chiffon or 100% cotton, as these materials are easier to work with. Next, make sure your undercap is firmly in place, covering all your hair to create a smooth base. Then, drape the scarf over your head, ensuring one side is about 3 to 4 inches longer than the other. This initial setup is crucial for achieving the elegant Turkish style. Now, take the longer side of your scarf and bring it smoothly under your chin, then up and over to the opposite shoulder. This creates the foundational layer of your Turkish hijab. Secure this section with a small, flat pin, placing it discreetly near your temple or just above your ear. Make sure the fabric is pulled gently but firmly across your chest, avoiding any bulkiness. This step is key for a polished and comfortable fit. Next, take the remaining shorter side of the scarf and bring it up and over your head, allowing it to create a beautiful, soft drape. This is where the signature Turkish style truly begins to form. Secure this layer with another small pin, placing it either at the very top of your head or slightly to one side, depending on your preference. Carefully adjust the folds around your face, ensuring they frame your features elegantly and symmetrically. For your final touches, gently check for any loose ends or stray pieces of fabric and tuck them in neatly to maintain a polished look. Make sure your hijab feels comfortable and secure, allowing you to move freely and confidently throughout your day. This style is both elegant and practical. Remember to check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals. Enjoy your beautiful new Turkish hijab style.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.